Smart homes products were well represented at CES 2022. Here are our top 5 favorite smart home products. 1. Masonite Smart Door is a door with wiring and smart systems built right in. It has a built-in open-closed sensor, it has wiring and connects directly to your Wi-Fi, so you don't need to worry about the battery power. Charging the door takes care of itself. 2. Kohler Purist Suspend faucet system hangs from the ceiling of your kitchen. It provides an elegant, expensive way to increase the flexibility of your primary hot and cold water system. 3. DEF Energy Timberline solar energy shingles can be installed on the roof and have easy installation and setup. And it's an easy price to pay without breaking the bank. 4. Velkenweimo Smart Video Doorbell. This smart entry system has bells and whistles motion alerts, and you can set motion zones and customize alerts based on whether it detects people, pets or vehicles. It also has facial recognition so that it can tell different residents apart. 5. Robotic S7 Max V Ultra is a fully automated robotic vacuum and mopping system. It automatically moves between vacuuming the floor and mopping. When it moves to the carpet, it moves the mop attachment out of the way and returns to the base station, emptying the dustbin. In addition, it can auto-clean the mop head and refill the water reservoir for the mop. It's an entirely hands-off system. It also has a camera so you can check on your family if you are away. Smart home devices should be secure, reliable and seamless to use. And with Matter, they are. Matter is a standard created by over 200 companies to allow all of your smart home devices to communicate with each other locally without the need for a cloud. Matter is the solution smart home developers need to start building products and services for the smart home we're waiting for. Digital Samurai is creating a smart home system that leverages Matter that can integrate with our content production system to deliver a frictionless experience in Repilot Creator Condo.
Outsourcing can be easy, and now it is. Digital Samurai Micro Funnels. Curated content. Smart targeting. Micro campaigns. Success. Simplified. Powered by Client Concierge Service Bot. Get your micro funnel now. And simplify your success with Digital Samurai.